how to edit photos on NanoBanana AI, follow this guide. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your phone and search for NanoBanana AI. Once you found it, open the official website. Now scroll down the page until you reach the AI editor section. Here you will see two options. Choose image to image if you want to upload a photo and make changes, or choose text to image if you want AI to create or edit based on your written prompt. After selecting the mode, tap on Add Image and upload the photo you want to edit. Then in the message box, describe what changes you want, whether it's enhancing color, changing outfit, or removing objects. When everything looks good, hit the Generate Now button. Within a moment, NanoBanana AI will process your request and show you the edited result. And that's all. I hope this video helped.